so you guys want to change your oil in a 2017 Chevy Traverse. All you need is your oil filter, catch. That's what you need. And a 15mm wrench for the oil drain plug. Okay. Also, you're going to need a T25. You're going to do your air filter. Okay. But for now, this is what you need. A 15mm jack, catch. Make sure you have a jack stand too, so be safe. Okay. And that's it. So you're under the vehicle. You already got your hydraulic jack. Vehicle's in parking. Want to change your oil. Boom. Here it is. Here's the oil pan. Basically, I'm looking at this vehicle from the front of the engine. So back here, this spot right here, that is the drain plug. A 15mm. Okay. 15mm. And that's all we need. And then all you do is you pull down. All right, here we go. Here we go. Already got my oil filter. Already got my air filter. There you go. So I'm gonna wait for that to completely drain. Then I'm gonna go after my oil filter right here. That's it. Alright, so I also like to add a little oil inside the filter so I can actually, you know, get it going there. Just so that it won't start up dry, and that way it's got something to pull through and then pulls the rest of it in there. I fill it up about 3/4 of the way, and then all the filter, paper filter elements in there just sucks up the oil. And then I just gotta coat the ring and we're good. Because the filter is going to go in somewhat of an angle, and I don't want it spilling. So I'm just going to put in just enough to put some in there. Other than that, that's it. Here we go. We're going to install it. Alright. So this is what I've been using so far. Mobil 1 extended performance up to 20,000 miles. And guess what? I already did this already, and it was like 19,000 and some change. So it wasn't quite the 20,000 miles because my engine actually said, all right, give me out that blinking light saying you gotta change the oil. So it was close to 20,000 miles. Hey, I'll take it for $20 something, full synthetic, 530 and almost 20,000 miles. That'll work. I'm good for it. And then the filter is gonna be a little dirty. Hold on. Oh, that's still hot. Bitch is still hot. Grab that. Excuse my French, but let it focus. There you go. AC Delco PF 63E for a 2017 Chevy Traverse 3.6 engine. Alright, I'm just gonna add the oil. Alright guys, so I already put the drain plug in. There's no need for me to show you how to do the drain plug. And time to pour the oil in there. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna pour some oil in this bad boy, and it will take 5 quarts. Alright, we're gonna fast forward this because you guys don't want to see me pour some oil into this thing. Okay, all done. Alright, so it'll say change oil light, and for you to reset it, right now it's telling me the hood's open. Yeah, the hood's open. Okay, so you come in and reset your light. You go to the stereo, you hit the information button here, right? And you keep scrolling until it tells you. You keep pressing the button There you go. There you go. I already reset it. And the way you reset it is basically you come to the check mark. Once you're at that there, you press it. And then it'll go from 0 to 100, meaning you have 100% left on your oil life remaining. Because I just changed the oil, so we're good to go. You just hold the check button, the check mark, press it for about 5 seconds, and you'll see it change over to from 0 to 100. And then you're good. Close your hood. My vehicle's running right now. You see the idle. We're good to go. Guys, have a good one.